CDN, the secret to fast, reliable web experiences. Learn how CDNs power the internet.
Ever wondered how websites like Netflix, Amazon, or YouTube deliver lightning-fast content to millions of users worldwide? The secret lies in something you probably use every day but rarely think about: content delivery networks, or CDNs. In today's video, we're breaking down the basics of CDNs, how they work, and why they're essential for modern applications. By the end, you'll not only understand how CDNs power the internet, but also learn how to use them to optimize your own systems. Let's dive in.
So what exactly is a content delivery network, or CDN? A CDN is a globally distributed network of servers that deliver content, like images, videos, and web pages, to users based on their geographic location. The goal? To reduce latency and ensure fast, reliable access to content no matter where you are in the world.
Why should you care about CDNs? Because they solve three major challenges. 1. Speed. By serving content from the nearest server, CDNs reduce load time significantly. 2. Reliability. With built-in redundancy, CDNs ensure content stays online even if some servers fail. 3. Scalability. CDNs handle sudden traffic spikes effortlessly, whether it's Black Friday or a viral video. In short, a CDN makes your app feel like a local hero, no matter where your users are.
CDNs are everywhere. Here's how they're used in the real world. Video streaming platforms like Netflix and YouTube use CDNs to deliver seamless video playback, even in high definition. E-commerce Amazon relies on CDNs to provide fast product searches and smooth checkout experiences globally. Gaming online multiplayer games use CDNs to reduce lag and ensure real-time gameplay.
Now let's talk about the major players in the CDN space. Akamai, one of the pioneers, offering robust global coverage. Cloudflare, known for its speed, security, and developer-friendly features. Amazon CloudFront, perfect for AWS users, tightly integrated with other AWS services. Google Cloud CDN, optimized for high-performance applications running on GCP. Think of these providers as your internet traffic managers, ensuring your data reaches users faster than ever.
Here's a simplified view of how CDNs operate. First, content caching. Static files like images, CSS, and JavaScript are cached on edge servers. Second, load balancing. Traffic is intelligently distributed across multiple servers to prevent overload. And third, geographic proximity. Users are automatically connected to the nearest server for minimal latency.
While CDNs are powerful, they're not without challenges. Cache invalidation, ensuring users get fresh content without delays. Dynamic content delivery, handling data that can't be cached, like API responses. Configuration complexity, optimizing CDN settings for your application. Pro tips: use cache expiration headers for better cache management. Combine CDNs with load balancers for dynamic content delivery. Monitor performance metrics to fine-tune your CDN setup. A well-configured CDN isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for your system's performance.
To recap first, CDNs reduce latency, improve reliability, and handle massive traffic effortlessly. Second, they're essential for video streaming, e-commerce, gaming, and more. Third, providers like Akamai, Cloudflare, and AWS CloudFront offer tailored solutions for every need. In our next video, we'll explore load balancers versus CDNs, how to use them together for optimal performance.
If you're ready to take your system design skills to the next level, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join me in the next episode. Because in the world of system design, speed isn't a luxury, it's a necessity.